Hello everyone, welcome to another guest internet video. Today I'm answering one of your technical questions, a question actually that quite a few people ask us, because people who are setting up community Wi-Fi using guest internet products like this GISK1 often use 4G LTE routers because that's the only internet available. It's either that or else a Starlink antenna. Often there's no cable connection, fiber or copper cable. So this is a 4G LTE router. You can see it's got Ethernet connectors, and it's also got a place to put the SIM card. Now this is a very basic 4G LTE router, and it has a limitation on speed. It picks up the signal from the mobile phone tower using these antennas. Now people ask, my 4G LTE router speed is limited. How can I make it faster? And the answer is you can make one of these routers faster by connecting external antennas. This 4G LTE router doesn't allow you to remove the antennas, but there are versions where you can remove the antennas and then you can put cables up onto the roof. Now that gets you a stronger signal, and when you have a stronger signal to the mobile phone tower, then you're going to get a faster data speed. Okay, and so what people do with these, the type of antenna depends on what you have available. Often people connect Yagi antennas, so there are two antennas for the 4G LTE. You can connect a Yagi antenna to each one, put it up on the roof, put them at 90 degrees so that you work with any type of polarization from the antenna. I know that sounds a little bit technical, but there are kits available. You can get an antenna kit for a 4G LTE modem and put the antenna on the roof, run cables down to the modem, and it will probably double the data speed. So it's worthwhile doing. It's a small expense, maybe $100 for the antenna kit, and you can maybe double the speed of your 4G LTE connection. So that's a good tip, to use a 4G LTE service with your community Wi-Fi. Once you have the 4G LTE router, then you can connect that to a guest internet controller such as the GISK1, and then use this to control access to the Wi-Fi. It provides the login page. You can print codes and give codes to people in the form of vouchers. So it's a very simple setup for a community Wi-Fi service to give people access to the internet. If you have more questions, please contact us. We'll be very happy to share more information about this with you. So thanks for watching this video, and look out for the next one.